Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean your Mercedes radar sensor. First, locate the sensor, usually behind the front grille or bumper. Gather a soft microfiber cloth, mild car soap, and clean water. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and cool to the touch before beginning. Remember, never use abrasive cleaners or rough sponges, as these can damage the sensor's delicate surface. Safety and gentle care are key. Begin by gently wiping away any loose dirt or dust with a dry microfiber cloth. For more stubborn, dry debris, a soft bristled brush can be very effective. Next, lightly spray a mild car soap solution, diluted with water, directly onto the sensor area. Allow this solution to sit for about 1 to 2 minutes, letting it loosen any grime without drying. Now, take a clean, damp microfiber cloth and gently wipe the sensor surface. Use light, circular motions to remove all the loosened dirt and soap residue. It's important to be thorough but gentle. After cleaning, rinse the area completely with clean water to ensure no soap film remains. Inspect the sensor closely for any streaks or missed spots, ensuring a clear finish. Finally, use a separate, dry microfiber cloth to thoroughly dry the radar sensor. It's crucial to remove all moisture to prevent water spots or future issues. Double-check that the surface is completely dry and free of any smudges or hazy film. Once dry, you can confidently test your vehicle's radar system to ensure it's functioning optimally. A clean sensor helps maintain peak performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.